Okay, so it's the first day and the first show that I'm heading to. I'm going to the Vein show. I have to run because it's going to take a while to get there, but I just thought I'd show you my outfit. So I have on this skirt from a collection from last year. This is a hoodie from my autumn-winter collection, just gone. And then the bag is part of a collaboration launching this year. It's made out of like upcycled scarves. And then I'm going to put on some glasses and this knitted hat that I thrifted at the start of the year. So this is today's look. Okay, gotta run. Okay, so just back from the first show I went to. This is what I wore. I think I showed you this in my other video, and I also had on some sunglasses and I had on these glasses, and I'm back for like I've got like 5 minutes until, or like 10 minutes until I'm leaving again, so I might just throw on something else because these shoes are a bit of a pain to walk in for ages. So yeah, I'm going to change and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm running out the door now to go to Alpha, which is the next show. I'm just back from Vein, and this is what I'm wearing. I have on this skirt from last year, same hoodie, same bag, and then this little beret that I thrifted at the start of the year. And then I have on these fun tights. They're just like two pairs layered together, and these loafers. So yeah, that's the look for now, and I have to run out the door. Okay, bye. Okay, it's a lot later. I've been to 2 different events today. I went to the Vein show and I went to the Alpha show, which I think was like a lot of different graduates' work. And I'm so tired. Now I'm going to the Vein after party. I probably won't stay long. I don't really like being out late, but I'm going to go with everyone that I'm with and probably just stay for like an hour and then head back home. Yeah, but I'll show you what I'm wearing. Yeah, so I'll go out to the mirror now and I'll show you what I'm wearing. I actually look really tired. fine. Just getting ready for the second day. I got up quite late. I'm just gonna, let's see if I can put you up here. I'm gonna leave you here while I do my mascara. Yeah, I ended up getting up quite late. I think I was exhausted after getting up early yesterday morning and all the travel, and just kind of like, it's quite overwhelming, the whole experience, I think. Yes, I got up a little bit later today than I thought I would, but that's fine. I think we went to like an after party last night, and I think I know just tonight I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to come home after the last show and kind of plan my day for the next day, and that's fine. I did some kind of turquoise eyeshadow. I need to do my lips after I finish my coffee. Yeah, so I'll get back to you in a sec and show you what I'm wearing. Ignore the fact that we're in the bathroom because this is the best light where I'm staying. But this is what I'm gonna wear today. I've got like, I layered this kind of gold sequin top with this dress that I made a while ago. And then I have these lace tights on, and I have some loafers and fluffy socks. And then that's my hair and makeup. Don't know if I'll do anything with my hair, like whether it looks best up or down. I don't know. I'll bring a hair tie with me. Yeah, so this is going to be the look for today. And I think I was going to wear a collar, but I think that might be too much. I'm going to bring out my brown star bag, and I just added some of my charms to it. Yeah, that is the look for today. Also, don't know what glasses to go for. These ones or these ones. Really don't know. I'm just leaving the Ukraine house. I went there for their Ukraine Fashion Week that's being hosted as part of Copenhagen Fashion Week, which was beautiful. I think I got some nice photos. They had a model wearing bits and lots of showroom presentations. So nice. Yeah, so I think I walked by the Ganni shop. I think it's where they have an outlet. So I think I'm going to check out that and then run to the next show. And then later that day I went to the Ganni Future Talents and Fabrics exhibition, and yeah, it was really interesting. It was kind of like showing new up and coming designers' work, and then also these new fabric innovations that Ganni have been working on, of kind of fabrics that look like leather but they are plant-based, which is amazing news for me. So I'm excited to see what happens with all of this into the new collections. Okay, so it's a lot later and I went to, what did I do? I went to a show after, well, I went to stand outside a show after Ganni, and now I'm gonna go to Steengoya, well, hopefully get back, change, and then go there. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. I'm trying to find a metro to get on at the moment. Okay, just before I head out, here is the outfit. Pretty much the same as earlier, but just with the collar added. Okay, gotta go. Going to show you quickly before I leave the outfit. Bum bag with charm, screen printed jeans, my ASOS boots, have on this sequin top that I thrifted last year, the jacket that I made, and thrifted hat. Okay,